Hey there! In this video, I'm gonna go over what is var and what is let keyword and when to use them. Both are used to declare variables, but they work differently. Let's start by defining a function, my function. Declaring an x variable using var keyword and its value is 10. Here, we're gonna have an if statement. If true, let's declare the x variable again using the var keyword, and its value is 20. And let's log the value of x variable inside if statement. Let's concatenate a string saying this is inside if statement. Let's also log the value of x variable outside if statement. Let's concatenate a string this is outside if statement. Then let's call the function my function. Hit save and refresh the browser. So this is our output. But first, let's add space here and here. Save it again and refresh the browser. Now it's better. I just added a space between the value of x variable and the string that we concatenated. Now, we got the same output. Because variable x is declared with var keyword inside the function my function. It is accessible within the if statement and is also accessible outside the if statement because var has function scope, which means that if you declare a variable with var keyword inside a function, it will be accessible throughout the entire function, including any nested functions. Now, let's move to let keyword using the same code example. Let's just copy the code above. Let's comment out the first example and replace the var keyword to let keyword. Hit save and refresh the browser. Now we got different output, which is 20 and 10, just like our first example. But this time, we use the let keyword to declare the x variable inside the function my function. It is accessible within the if statement, but it is a different variable than the x declared outside the if statement because let has block scope, which means that if you declare a variable with let inside a block, it will only be accessible within that block. Remember that block scope is created by curly braces like those in a for loop, if statement, or simply standalone curly braces. So, when should you use var and when should you use let? It's generally recommended to use let instead of var because let is more predictable and less error prone. In summary, use var for variables that need to have function scope and use let for variables that need to have block scope. And that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching!